EMOORE Food Connoisseur. Welcome to my foodie adventures. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the restaurant and the food I will be reviewing. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Hey foodie fam, what's going on today? Today we're going to this spot called Las Palmas. I might be pronouncing it wrong. I don't know any Spanish. Alright, we're gonna go inside, pick the food up, bring it back to the car, see what it's heading for. Hopefully my socks get blown off. I picked up from this spot before I went in there and grabbed the order from somebody. And man, that food smelled good. So I got to go inside and investigate, and I'll be back and let you know what my thoughts and opinions are. Before I do all of that, I'm gonna ask you to please like, subscribe, and share me out. You see that bell? Click it so you know when I'm on. All right, y'all, I'll be right back. Alright, foodie fam, I got the food. It's a small little spot, but it's got some stuff in there. I tell you, it's like the window in there. It's like they got everything behind the glass. I was gonna shoot some more footage in there, but I didn't know how they felt about that. So we got the food here. I got some pork chops and some rice. Wifey got some pepper steak and rice, and we both got these Piña Colada drinks. So first, of course, I'm gonna start off with this because it looks interesting. All right, y'all. What y'all up to today? How y'all feeling today? Is it a nice hot summer day where you at? Do you got something cool and refreshing like I do to make it not so hot anymore? So this is a Pina Colada. It's nice and cold. I'm not gonna drink the whole thing because I can't have those kind of problems later. All I need is an umbrella in there. I feel like I'm on a cruise ship. This wifey's food, pepper steak and rice. This thing feel like it weighs about 3 pounds. So they give you a nice portion. This is mine. Bam! Doesn't that look interesting? It looks very interesting to me. Take your virtual bite. Pull out a pork chop. I'll share it with you virtually. And then I'll take mine. You grab yours yet? Alright. One thing though, with joking aside, I can have to warn you. You may want to pause me and go get a little snack because this might make you hungry. It might make you hungry. I almost lost my drink. All right. You finished? 'Cause I'm about to get involved. I just love Spanish food. I love tasting the Latin cuisines. So I do a lot of these. So here's the pork chop. Nice flavor to it. The rice is pretty nice. We're gonna do some mixing around. I'm gonna put the peppers up in here and see if they give it a different dynamic. So, what are y'all up to today? You out here enjoying this nice weather? Or are you sitting back home being a couch potato? The summertime seems like, to me, is almost over and it just really started. But it's look like this month flew by. It's about to be July already. And I remember when I was a little kid, when July came like that, that meant August was coming. And then it's time to go back to school. Okay. Get a little bit more flavor. One more bite. Let's talk about it. Okay. Pork chop, very flavorful, very hard bite, very hard chew, and just a little bit tough to break it on down to you. They should have beat it up a little bit more, tenderized it a little bit more, but I'm not mad at that because the taste was very good. It's just overcooked a little bit and a little bit tough, but it has a nice flavor to it. The rice, let's see, needs a little bit of help, but with the peppers, it gave it a little bit of kick. But it has little beans in it, but I really didn't taste it that much. So for the pork chop, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give that an 8. For the rice, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give that a 7.5. So wifey getting down with her, so she must like it.
Flavor's weird on the steak, but other than that, it's good.
She said the flavor is weird on the steak, but other than that, she said it's good. So what you?
7.
So you get a steak of 7. The Piña Colada, nice cooling, easy going down. Wifey liked it. I would give that an 8.5. So there you go. That's my review of the Las Palmas. I said it wrong, but the spelling going to be going across the screen as long as the address. I'm just not up on pronouncing those fancy names sometimes. Hey, it is what it is, just being real. All right, y'all. It's always a pleasure coming out, letting you experience what I experienced in the foodie game. If you have any restaurant suggestions, hit me up in my comment section. If you want to just say hi, hit me up in my comment sections. You enjoy the rest of your day. Remember, every day you open your eyes up, you get to take that nice deep breath. You get to hear those birds chirping, and you get to smell the smells from outside, or it could be smells from inside. Somebody cooking something nice and savory for you to eat. It's a blessing from God. All right, y'all, you enjoy the rest of your day, and you will see me on my next review. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Click that like button, the notification button at the bottom of the page so you know my videos are on.